Welcome to Cook Master Tips. Today, we're making decadent no-bake Oreo cheesecake bites. These creamy, rich treats are packed with Oreo goodness and require no baking at all. Let's dive in. Ingredients: 24 Oreo cookies, crushed. Reserve 2 tablespoons for topping. 2 cups cream cheese, softened. 1/2 cup powdered sugar. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1 cup heavy cream, whipped. 1/2 cup mini chocolate chips. Directions: line a muffin tin with cupcake liners. In a mixing bowl, combine crushed Oreos, except the reserved amount, with softened cream cheese, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract. Mix until smooth. Fold in whipped cream until fully combined. Then stir in the mini chocolate chips. Spoon the mixture into the cupcake liners, filling each to the top. Sprinkle the reserved crushed Oreos on top. Refrigerate for at least 4 hours or until firm. Serve chilled and enjoy the creamy, crunchy goodness. Prep time: 15 minutes. Chill time: 4 hours. Total time: 4 hours 15 minutes. Kcal: 220 kilocalories. Servings: 12 cheesecake bites. In the end, don't miss out on our latest recipes and cooking tips. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Cook Master Tips, for more delicious content.